Welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. Continuing on with our time records and the project management tab. Here what we're doing is looking at the time records directory. To get here, you're going to go from your dashboard to project management dropdown and look at time records and list time records. That gets you to the directory. So here, if you've created any time records of jobs that your staff have done, are going to be listed here. So if you haven't assigned an hourly rate, go look at that video and learn how to do that. And if you haven't created any time records, you're going to watch that video as well. And this is where it's going to show you how to do everything. You can always click on the new time records button here to see how to do that. However, for now, what we're looking at is how to read the directory and what information is put here. So when we create a time record, we're asked the date of the job that was done, what customer the user was helping out, the project that it's assigned to, who did it, who did the work, a description of what they did, how much time they spent, and then it will automatically calculate the rest based on their price per hour, and it'll tell you how much money you owe them still. And you can search all of these fields using the columns along the top. So we can either search for all settled time records or non-settled, or for everything. We can enter in any timeline. So if we want to look at only 2 hours and up, we can search for that as well. Description, you can search by user with the drop down here as well. So lots of different ways to search your time records in here. So this is a good way to look at, okay, we can go back and see that Michael did a setup for a wedding. He worked for 2 hours, so we owe him $100 for that. So you can make sure that you've planned accordingly to pay your staff. So that's the time records directory. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@rentaltrax.com. You can always like us on facebook.com/rentaltrax. And that will help you to follow along with all of our new how-to videos and any features that we add. Or you can visit us online at www.rentaltrax.com.